Security forces arrested 2 active cadres of Prepak PRO in the Papa Lamkai area of Thoubal District on 11th of June. The arrested individuals are identified as Wahengbam Sanatoy Singh, also known as Malinga, aged 21, and Huirem Opendra Singh, aged 44, informed police on June 12. As per the sources from Manipur police, items recovered from their possession include 4 mobile phones, Rs 50,000 in cash, and 1 car. In another case, on June 11, security forces arrested 1 active member of the KYKL organization, identified as Ketremium Ramajit Meitei, Elias Polo, 32 years, from Waitau Sakumsang area, Thoubal District. From his possession, the security forces recovered 1 HE-36 hand grenade and 1 mobile phone with a SIM card. Moreover, the security forces conducted extensive search operations and area domination in the fringe and vulnerable areas of both hill and valley districts in Manipur. A total of 123 checkpoints were established across various districts, resulting in the detention of 66 individuals for violations. Additionally, the movement of 255 vehicles carrying essential items along National Highway 2 was ensured.